enchanting quotes horizon. Imran Khan, who was born on 5th October 1952, is a Pakistani politician and former cricket captain. He served as the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan from August 2018 until April 2022. He is the founder and chairman of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. Now have a look at some wonderful quotes said by him. You don't kill your way to peace. The more you study, the more you know how less you know. I've always believed that one should not be scared of losing. I think that really is the key. Talent or intelligence does not matter. It's your dreams that will decide how big a person you will become. It is not defeat that destroys you. It is being demoralized by defeat that destroys you. Never give up. No matter how hard life gets, no matter how much pain you feel, pain will eventually subside. Nothing remains forever. So keep going and don't give up. Compromise for your dream, but never compromise on your dream. When you remove the concept of reward and punishment on merit, the result is the utter destruction of social fabric. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.